Aisha had always been passionate about plants and flowers, which led her to open a small nursery in the heart of the city. The nursery, Aisha's blossoms, had become her sanctuary. It was a place where she could nurture the delicate flowers, watch them bloom, and feel at peace with nature. But despite her love for the plants, she often felt lonely in the busy world around her. One spring afternoon, a young man named Faisal entered the nursery. He was looking for plants to decorate his new home, and Aisha was more than happy to help. Faisal was charming and kind, with a genuine interest in gardening. As they talked about various plants, Aisha found herself drawn to him, not just because of his knowledge, but also his warm personality. Faisal returned to the nursery several times, each time engaging in longer conversations with Aisha. They spoke about everything: plants, life, dreams, and the future. Aisha began to feel a connection with him, something she hadn't experienced in a long time. Faisal seemed to have a calming effect on her, and she found herself looking forward to his visits. As the weeks passed, Aisha realized that her feelings for Faisal were growing deeper. She wasn't just fond of him as a client. She had developed feelings for him that went beyond friendship. But she hesitated, unsure of how to express her emotions. She didn't want to risk losing him as a customer or damaging the professional relationship they had. One day, Faisal came in with a bouquet of flowers in his hand. He smiled at Aisha and said, "I brought these for you. I've noticed how beautiful your flowers are, but I think you're even more beautiful." Aisha was taken aback, her heart racing. She blushed and smiled, unsure of how to respond. Faisal continued, "I've been coming here for weeks, and I've realized that there's something special about you. I know we've only just met, but I can't stop thinking about you." Aisha's heart swelled with happiness. She had feared her feelings would go unspoken, but here he was, confessing his own feelings. I feel the same way," she admitted, her voice trembling. From that moment on, their relationship blossomed like the flowers in Aisha's nursery. They spent more time together, talking about their hopes, fears, and dreams. Faisal became not just a client, but a part of her life. Aisha felt like she had found something she had been missing, someone who understood her passion and shared her values. As the seasons changed, so did their relationship. The nursery became a symbol of their love, a place where their bond grew stronger with each passing day. They eventually got married, and Faisal took over the nursery alongside Aisha, turning it into a thriving business that brought joy to many people. Aisha's nursery was no longer just a place for flowers to bloom. It had become a place where love had taken root and flourished, just like the beautiful flowers that filled the shop.